Have you ever wanted to make money online? Maybe you dream of working from anywhere in the world. Or perhaps you just want some extra cash to spend. Whatever your reason, affiliate marketing could be the perfect solution for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. That means you can earn money even while you sleep. It's also a very flexible way to work. You can set your own hours and work from wherever you want. In this essay, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning money today. I'll also share some of my top tips and tricks for success. So, are you ready to start building your own online business? Let's get started. Sustainable online business. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, it's time to choose the right products to promote. The key here is to choose products that you're passionate about and that you think your audience will be interested in. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Take some time to research different products and find ones that you believe in. This will make it much easier for you to create compelling content that converts. Here are a few things to consider when choosing products to promote. First, your interests and passions. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy talking about and sharing with others? Second, your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your affiliate marketing? What are their interests and needs? Third, product quality. Make sure you're promoting high-quality products that you would personally use or recommend. Lastly, commission rate. While the commission rate shouldn't be the only factor you consider, it's important to choose products that offer a decent commission. Once you've chosen some products to promote, it's time to start creating content that converts. This is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. This is where you'll need to get creative and come up with ways to promote your affiliate links in a way that is both informative and engaging. Think about what makes your content unique and how you can stand out. Here are a few tips. Be honest and transparent. Authenticity is key in building a loyal audience. Let your audience know that you're an affiliate for the products you're promoting. This openness will foster trust. This will build trust and credibility. Focus on providing value. Your audience should feel that you genuinely care about their needs. Don't just try to sell your audience something. Instead, offer them insights and solutions. Focus on providing them with valuable information that will help them solve a problem or achieve a goal. This approach will make your content more impactful. Use strong calls to action. Be clear and direct about what you want your audience to do next. Tell your audience what you want them to do, whether it's clicking on your affiliate link, signing up for an email list, or leaving a comment. Be patient and consistent in your efforts. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort to build a successful business. Consistency is key to long-term success. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Analyze your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Just keep creating great content and promoting your links, and eventually you'll start to see success. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Section 5. Shooting mobile games online, a potential niche. One potential niche for affiliate marketing is shooting mobile games online. This is a rapidly growing market, with millions of people around the world playing these games on their smartphones and tablets. If you're a fan of shooting mobile games, you could create content about game reviews. Share your thoughts and opinions on the latest and greatest shooting mobile games, or maybe gameplay videos. Record yourself playing your favorite games and share your tips and tricks with others. You could also focus on news and updates. Keep your audience up to date on the latest news and updates for their favorite games. And don't forget about tournament and esports coverage. Cover the competitive scene for shooting mobile games and share the latest results and highlights. By creating high-quality content about shooting mobile games, you can attract a large and engaged audience. And by promoting affiliate links for games, in-app purchases, and gaming accessories, you can start earning big commissions. Section 6. Building your online presence. Website versus social media. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a platform to reach your target audience effectively. This could be your own website, a social media profile, or a combination of both, depending on your strategy. Let's talk about having a website first. Pros. You have complete control over your content and design, allowing for a personalized touch. You can build a strong brand identity and establish yourself as an authority in your niche, which is crucial for long-term success. Cons. Building a website takes time, effort, and sometimes a steep learning curve. You need to learn about web design, SEO, and content marketing to make your website effective. Now let's discuss social media. Pros. It's free and easy to get started, with minimal technical skills required. You can reach a large audience quickly, especially if you create engaging content that goes viral, boosting your visibility. Cons. You're at the mercy of the platform's algorithms, which can change unpredictably. Your reach can be limited, and your account could be suspended or banned at any time, disrupting your efforts. The best approach is to diversify your online presence to mitigate risks. Create a website as your central hub and use social media to drive traffic to it, creating a balanced strategy. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, ensuring a more stable and resilient online presence. Section 7. Driving traffic to your affiliate links. Creating great content is just the first step. You also need to drive traffic to your affiliate links if you want to make sales. Here are a few strategies. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Optimize your website and content for relevant keywords so people can find you organically through search engines like Google. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Engage with your followers and participate in relevant groups and communities. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters with valuable content and affiliate promotions. Paid advertising. Invest in paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target your ideal audience directly. Experiment with different traffic generation methods and find what works best for your niche and audience. Section 8. Tracking your progress, tools, and metrics. It's essential to track your progress so you can see what's working and what's not. Most affiliate programs provide basic tracking tools, but you can also use third-party tools for more in-depth analysis. Here are some key metrics to track clicks. How many times people clicked on your affiliate links? Conversions. How many clicks resulted in a sale? Conversion rate. The percentage of clicks that turned into sales. Earnings per click, or EPC. The average amount of money you earn for each click on your affiliate link. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify your most profitable traffic sources, content types, and promotional strategies. Section 9. Case study. From beginner to super affiliate. Let's look at a real-life example of someone who found success with affiliate marketing. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, was passionate about healthy cooking and decided to start a blog sharing her recipes and tips. She joined affiliate programs for kitchen appliances, organic ingredients, and meal planning services. Through consistent content creation, social media engagement, and email marketing, she grew her blog into a thriving online business. Sarah's story highlights that with dedication and hard work, anyone can achieve success with affiliate marketing. Section 10. Common affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. As a beginner, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a few common ones to avoid. Promoting too many products. Focus on a few high-quality products instead of spreading yourself too thin. Ignoring your audience. Don't just promote products you think will make you money. Choose products your audience will genuinely find valuable. Being spammy. Don't bombard your audience with affiliate links. Promote products naturally within your content. Giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Section 11. Conclusion. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income online. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this essay, you can set yourself up for success. Remember to choose products you're passionate about, create valuable content, drive traffic to your affiliate links, track your progress, and learn from your mistakes. Start your affiliate marketing journey today.